This problem is for black to kill white on the corner in this capture race. White occupies the corner and also has eye space on the corner. And black has 4 liberties, which is not bad, but black really needs to reduce white's eye space, or to eliminate white's eye space. In this pattern, the correct move is the clamp, right? White cannot stand down here because black can cut here, and white will fail instantly. So white must connect. Now, all black needs to do is to play this move. And now this is a 4 liberties on 3 liberties pattern. So now, no matter what white tries, black will be able to win this race to capture, like this. So overall, the takeaway is this clamping move against this pattern, and that will come in handy in many capture races. Good luck, and thank you for watching.